Hey, I'm Carter Craft with Craft Customs, and we got something a little bit different for you today, and we like to show those things that aren't just off-the-shelf steering wheels. This is a steering wheel that's actually going to go on a 1991 S10 Chevy, but the steering wheel is actually off of a Boyd Coddington Chevy 1990. It's an aftermarket steering wheel, and so we went in and added a really nice, luxurious Ferrari leather to this with the hand stitch baseball stitch pattern there, and really upgraded this aftermarket steering wheel completely. It's really going to offset his interior as he restores this 1991 Chevy back to its original glory. So anything you need here at Craft Customs, this is what we do. We do steering wheels, any steering wheel, aftermarket, factory OEM steering wheels, anything you need with steering wheels, we do it here. And as always, at craftcustoms.com, you're gonna love what you get. We guarantee it.